Burma women folk wear the rignai as the lower garment, risa as the upper garment. Man wears dhoti borok or dhoti mukunchok, that is the lower garment, along with kutai or kamsli, that is the kamsli borok.
Kotoma thaisa sawana nono kanana de nung batum Tiyo kanaya hao kanaya tiyo akathang perti Jetuang ni tangi bosok kere sawi tema nung kege Dongai pa sawi kirlangka kubang ma kotoma Orono manai rutugoy na khay kumajag lai buma Orono manai rutugoy na khay kumajag lai buma Orono manai rutugoy na khay kumajag lai buma
Put your hands together for the Devarmas. Now comes the Jamatyas. Jamatya is another Tripuri group having distinct features. Man wears dhoti, also like any other Tripuris, the dhoti borok. And women folks mostly wear their own clothes, which are beautifully designed. They use different bumos, that is designed in their garments. Along their garments, the Rinai Borok.
Tiyo akathang perti Jetuang ni tangi bosok kere sawi tema nung kege Kuchuka se hapung kahorjak satong nugayani tini kakuto Kotoma thaisa sawana nono kanana de nung batum Tiyo kanaya hao kanaya tiyo akathang perti Jetuang ni tangi bosok kere sawi tema nung kege Ugo togrek na henei thang puru Kenei ma lai lai semai tang lai ma
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Jamatya. Now comes the Nuatya. I'm sorry, the Tripuras. Tripuras also has the same traditional attire that most of the Tripuri people have. They have the dhuti borok for the men and kutai or kamsli, and also risa on the head, and a bollock that is used for hunting during the jute cultivations. The lady with a baili used to clean and throw away the particles from the grave. Rignai is the lower garment with black and a red patch on it.
No I need honey, bekerang sane, keteng pampu bay, bekerang sugoi, kelang mani, kokno kecari, bisi wawaisya, pai pinai henai, kucuka saya pun kahorjak satu nugayani tini kakutu, kotoma thaisa sawana nono kanana de nung batum. Hao kanaya tiyo akathang perti Jetuang ni tangi bosok kere sawi tema nung kege Dongai asawi ke langka ku bangma kothoma orono manai rutugai nai khai ku majak lai buma orono manai rutugai nai khai ku majak lai buma.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Tripura. Now comes the Nawatyas. The dress and ornaments are simple. The man, like most other tribal men, they use loincloths to wrap around their waist, which is called Gamsatak Barok, while the upper garment is called Jumchali, and the turban is called Rikrak. The woman also uses the Rignai to cover the lower part of the body, and Risa for the upper part of the body.
Mathaja sawana non kanana de numbatu Tiyo kanaya hawa kanaya tiyo akathang pertu Jatuang ni tangi bosok kere sawe jaman kegere
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Nawatya. Now come the Koloi. The Koloi woman wears the Rignai Borok, which has broad white stripes horizontal in the edges. The Risa is used as a blouse, while the man wears dhoti called Pudri and Gamli Borok as a shirt. Rangtang or the necklace made of coins, mala, which is a simple necklace that is
Serai mung nange kereng bubarni bahai kagmani sawi khenarine nono angtini Thaishu musekla khakoi lai mani bibino takhugo jobiton mani Nuai ni thani bekerang sane keteng pham pui bai bekerang subui kelang mani.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Riyang that are coming right in front of you. The traditional dress and attires of the Riyang are also simple like the other Tripuri and do not differ much from them. The Riyang men wear a loincloth closely hand-woven and a piece of cloth as shirt for the upper portion of the body. They also wear pagri like any other Indian tribe. The women wear a long piece of cloth for the lower part of the body known as Rignai, and they love to wear a lot of coins as their necklaces. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Riyadh. Now comes the Mizos. The Lusai woman wear one thing for the lower garment, along with Porchi as the blouse, like shirt, and Vakiria, which is a crown. The man wears a cotton shirt. It is a handloom. And the lower portion to be covered with quanta. The man that wears the Mizo or the Lusai.
Hamzat Nairogni Serai Mung Nange Kereng Bubani Bahai Kagmani
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Mizos. Now comes the Mogs. The woven cloth worn by the Mog women to cover the lower part of the body is called Tripuri, and the day is the blouse. The men wear what is called lungi for the lower covering, and the rangi, which is a shirt. They also wear gonggong, which is the turban on the head. The umbrella that they carry along may also look alike the Chinese tradition. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Mogs. Now comes the Franco. The Rangko women wear pondam, which is wrapped around from the waist till the knee or the ankle, and rusa, which is a blouse, like for the upper covering. The men wear dhoti along with guan kansui and lukkum, which is a turban. Necklace made of coins called sumrois, worn by the women. They also use porcupine thorns to adorn the hair. Hair caul or anklet is a common ornament for both the men and women.
tini kakuto Koto mathai cha sawana non Kanana de nung baton
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Franco. And now, the last but not the least, comes the Murasi. Every adult male wears a piece of cloth around their waist and occasionally wear a shirt on the upper part of the body whenever they go out of the house. Which is suggested that they do not usually wear shirts when they are home. The women wear two pieces of cloth called riya and rignai, generally woven by themselves. Murasing women are to be fond of ornaments and flowers. They wear jhumkas on their ears and karu on their legs.
Hamzat nai rokni serai mung nangai kereng bubarni bahai kakmani Sawi kenarine nono angtini
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for this traditional round that just got over. Now comes the next round. That is the handicraft and handloom department's special, wherein you will be able to witness these beautiful clothings and outfits that have been produced